Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you haven't done so as well. It is that time of year again where Ikea comes out with new home stuff. This is like my favorite time when the spring collection comes out because I feel like they get more new arrivals than normal. So my last video, I talked all about the new arrivals from the spring collection, but this is like the second round of new arrivals. I have so many, I couldn't even fit them all in this video. So please let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a part 2 to this video because there's so much good new stuff that I cannot wait to share with you guys. All right, the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys are these privacy screens. Now I wanted to share these in particular because I don't know if you guys remember, but I got some of these on my own last summer, I believe. They were super expensive. So these are great. You can actually bring them within the home to do like a cool like room divider situation or like a backdrop. I actually think I'm gonna pick up these white ones and do a really cool like filming backdrop. So if you guys wanna see that kind of like DIY process, let me know. I am basically needing to redo the area that I film in. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see because it's not technically a bedroom, it's just like my little filming area, but it would still probably give you guys some inspiration. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see the process of me making over this area that I film in. But these privacy screens are amazing. So they have these white ones and then they have the wood ones. These are both great, and again, the Ikea pricing is amazing. I have a studio apartment. Highly recommend getting some of these to make the little different areas in there like more distinct. This is a great piece that you can use. So you can use these outside too. You can grow like plants on them. So much you can do, and as you guys can see, I'm super excited about Ikea getting these in because we love a good Ikea price point. All right guys, I wanted to quickly take a moment and talk to you guys about something I've been enjoying doing lately. A lot of you guys ask like, what do I do to like unwind when I'm not like sourcing things or designing? And I've actually been playing this mobile game on my phone called June's Journey recently. So I just wanted to share it with you guys because it is awesome. They actually reached out to me and are sponsoring today's video, but I'm so happy they did because I've been playing this game like non-stop. It is so much fun. So it's basically a really fun hidden object mystery game set in the 1920s. It has really beautifully like drawn scenes and a very exciting storyline. It's a mobile game, so you can play it anywhere, and the best part is it's free. So I play this all the time when I want to like kind of like relax and unwind, and I also have just been really getting into it because it's so fun to like earn more coins in the game. It will allow you to unlock new levels the more you play. So I just wanted to share that with you guys for today, and I will have it linked in the description box down below for you guys to check out, and a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. All right, next up is this coffee table. Now, this can be used indoor and outdoor. I love mixing up indoor furniture and outdoor furniture all the time. This is actually a storage coffee table for outside, but if you are lacking storage space within your home, definitely check this out. I love it. I love the neutral tones of it. I think it's really cute. And of course, they have it paired with my new favorite collection. This is the outdoor stuff that just came out this season. It is so cute, you guys. Outdoor stuff gets pretty pricey. If you're on a budget and you want something a little bit lower, it is gonna be a little bit lower quality, I'm just gonna be honest. I would definitely check out Ikea. It will still last you a long time, but when I saw this Ikea stuff, I was like, this is really cute for the price. So they have like the high table with the bar stool, they have the sectional, and they also have the chase lounger, which I haven't personally seen a really cute chase lounger from Ikea ever. So this one is good and really affordable. If you have a pool, it would be a really great option. All right, next up is a piece that we have seen more recently. They designed the calyx like shelving to have feet on it when it goes horizontal, but now they've finally done it for it when it goes vertical. So there's no more of those really annoying DIY projects where you have to like add the legs on, which can be a little difficult with Ikea stuff because it's like made of like presswood, this particular piece. So when you're drilling into it, you do run the risk of like actually cracking the piece when you're trying to do like certain DIYs to it. So the fact that they're actually adding this as a little bonus to the piece is amazing, and I just think it makes it look a little bit more high end. I don't care what anyone says, I will always love this piece. If you are on a tight budget and you need like a bookshelf, There's something about it to me. It's just a classic IKEA piece, and I love the fact that they added legs to it. All right, next up, I think I showed this in my last IKEA shop with me video, but this piece came out in another color. And I told you guys, like when I have my garage, which will hopefully be coming soon, guys, hopefully within the next few months, I will have bought a house, which is just so exciting. I'm not gonna talk too much about it in today's video, but that's just it. That's all I'm gonna say. Zipped, lips are zipped. But yeah, this is gonna go in my garage because this storage is so good. It's like metal, it's good quality, it looks good. It's a very like nice, sleek, streamlined set. And it has so many other pieces, but this piece in particular I love with the shelving and then the actual cabinetry at the bottom. And I actually like the red. Like I like the pop of color, but it does come in a neutral as well. All right, this next piece that I saw was super cool. And I definitely don't think I like the color of it. It just doesn't match with anything that I have, but I love the idea of this wall storage. And I think with a little bit of spray paint, switching up the color and making this like black or white would look really cool. It's perfect to have like at an entryway, or again, if you have a smaller space, a smaller apartment, a smaller studio. Pieces like this will literally save you so much space. You can put this on the wall, use it as a little bit of storage in your entryway, and you are good to go, especially if you have an entryway that cannot have an entryway table or cabinet. If you're just lacking that space, grab one of these pieces and you'll be good to go. All right, next up, I saw this in the store and I'm not sure if I put it in my video, but I'm talking about it again because it is a new arrival and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the shapes of these chairs. I think they are so cool. Now, what I do wish is that they came out with an option to have the chair in all black. Like envision this chair in all black. I usually like to stray away from using spray paint on items that you're gonna sit on, so I wouldn't recommend like getting this and painting it because just not a good idea. But I wish that they would come out with this in different colors because I think I like it, but just the overall like natural rattan that it has doesn't quite go with my space, but I'm sure it would fit in with a lot of people's homes. But IKEA, if you're watching this, come out with this chair in all black so I can buy it. Thanks. All right, next up, another piece that I saw it in the store and I thought that this was so cool. Like it is so beautiful. It's iridescent. It's definitely not like my style, but I think it's a cool addition to your home. It's very unique and it's very different. And I love the fact that IKEA is starting to kind of like branch out and incorporate different design styles. Before we kind of saw everything like very Scandinavian, and now I feel like they're bringing in everything different. They've got mid-century modern, they have this very art deco piece. They've got everything covered for the most part. So props to IKEA for that, but I thought this vase was super cute. All right, next up is this new rug from IKEA. You guys know I always talk about IKEA rugs. Rugs are so expensive. It's something that people like don't understand. Like when you go to decorate, rugs are super expensive, artwork is super expensive. I guess everything is getting expensive, but rugs in general are super pricey. So to be able to find something like this that is neutral and super comfortable from IKEA is great. That's another thing about IKEA rugs. Not only do they look good, but they're all like so comfortable. I've had some like more expensive rugs that I get them and I'm like, this looks great, but it's like not comfortable underneath your feet. Every single IKEA rug that I've had has been so comfortable, like to actually walk on. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. All right, and then next up is this newer version of the shoe cabinet. This is again one of those IKEA staple pieces that they've had for quite some time. And I personally love it. I think it's a really great option if you don't have that storage space. Again, as I mentioned earlier, if you're in that studio apartment or that small apartment, or even in here, I should honestly get these so all the shoes like in the entryway can just have a place to go. These are just perfect. And then they have like the little top on it and you can totally style it with some cute decor. All right, and then last but certainly not least is just this cushion cover. When I went into the cushion cover section, I hadn't been to IKEA in such a long time. I was like overwhelmed. There were just so many good options, and these are things that I like to switch out quite frequently, just to be honest. The pillows on my bed, like the decorative ones, I like to switch those up a lot, and it's much more affordable to go ahead and get these cushion covers, have some really nice inserts that you really love that are super comfortable. Mine in particular I love are the Parachute Home, which I'm just obsessed with. I always have a link and a discount in the description box if you guys are wondering. Those I think are the best and they're super, super comfy. So I just have a set of those and I get different cushion covers and I can switch them up. Also very easy to store because they don't take up that much space. So I like the cushion covers more than getting like actual decorative pillows in my personal opinion. All right, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. Don't forget to go ahead and check out June's Journey. Download it, it's free. Try it out, let me know how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video and a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!